Hi guys, in this video I'm about to show you how to set up your new Eco King compost bin. So when you first get your compost bin, it'll arrive flat packed, as you can see now, fully strapped down with your install instructions. So I'm going to grab these first 7 steps of how to quickly put together your compost bin. So just make sure you recognize that and keep that to hand just in case you need it. The first thing you need to do is just cut the straps of the compost bin and put them to one side, and then chuck these in the recycling bin. Right, so once you've done that, the next thing to do is just lay out all the components to make sure you've got all of them. So that includes the lid and the 4 side panels that click together to make up your compost bin. So you'll notice that there's 2 that have the filling hatch, or the kind of escape hatch at the bottom, and that's to get all your compost materials out. So we'll lay those, so keep those 2 together, and then we'll keep these solid walls together as well. So to put it together, you'll see that inside it's labeled kind of top, so you know which bit's the top of your compost bin. Right, so first step is to then just take one of the solid walls and one of the walls with the hatches to then click together. And to know it's in place is once you obviously squeeze it, you'll hear a nice click. And that's to make sure that's all together, and you want to do that for the full wall. Right, so once you've done one, you just want to get your next solid wall just to help keep it level. So again, just go along the joints and just make sure they go in nicely. You'll always find once you get one wall in, the next one's easy to go in. And finally, you get your last small wall with hatch, and then use that to complete the box. So you may need to bring your sides in just to line them up properly, and you've got your compost bin. Right, so then once you get your lid, it should just sit nice and neatly on the compost bin. Then you will see these clips in the corners. They'll just connect into the top of the bin, and that should keep it nice and in place. And there you have it. That is how you build your Eco King compost bin. And now it's all ready for you to start filling up with your kitchen and garden waste.